Are you a local business looking to dominate your local market? Then Google My Business is the way to go. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google My Business listing and how you can optimize your account so that you can dominate your local market. Hi lovely people, welcome again to your everyday web and software tips. My name is Flynn. Now if you are new to this channel, please subscribe because every week I share with you software and web tips that will help you boost your skills and also help you grow your business. So before we go ahead for me to show you how to create your free Google My Business listing, let's just get to know what this tool actually is. So now this tool is actually provided by Google, and the purpose is to help businesses manage their online presence. So when it comes to customers finding your business, finding your telephone number, your website, and much more about your offers, Google My Business is a tool that you can use for customers to reach you and then find more about your business and hopefully do business with you. So for example, if you go to Google and then you search for shoes in Ghana, so in here I've typed shoes in Ghana, and you can see the search results here. It shows me some ads in here, but then when I scroll down, you can see that it's also showing me some local businesses that sell shoes around me, and it's showing me on Google Maps where those businesses are located. So if I'm to click on any of these companies or local businesses, it shows me the time they close, their telephone number. So this is a great way that customers or potential customers can easily find your business. And the amazing thing is this is for free. Yes, you don't have to pay anything to list your business on Google My Business. So with that out of the way, let me show you how you can create your account. So now let's go ahead and create a free Google My Business listing. So I'm on the Google My Business page. To get here, just type in your address bar Google My Business, and it will open up for you to get to this page. Now once you're on this page, just head over to Manage Now. It will open another window for you, and now we need to enter our email address. So for most of us using Android phones, I know we already have Gmail addresses, but when you are creating your Google My Business account, I will suggest or I recommend that you create a different Gmail for your business. So I would not recommend you to use your personal Gmail to sign in to manage your Google My Business profile. Create a new page or a new Gmail account that you will use to manage your business, so that you have a different Gmail for your personal and a different Gmail for your business. So go to create account here, and then you can see it says for personal use for my child or for work or my business. Click for work or my business. Now when you get in here, you need to enter the name. You can enter the name of your business, so just enter. So maybe if your business has two names, you can just enter in here and say something like my company. Now with the email address, as I said earlier, we need to create a new one for our business. So click on create new Gmail address instead, and let's enter our new Gmail address. So my company at gmail.com. It says it's already taken, so we need to add something to it. So let's just enter my company address. This is just for demonstration purposes, so I'm just creating something for you to understand how you can create your Gmail for your new business. So you can just enter your password in here. So enter your password. Make sure the passwords are the same. Once you are done, just go to next. You will be asked to enter your phone number, which is optional, but I will encourage you to enter your phone number in here. enter a recovery email address in case you lose your password. This will help you recover your email account or your Gmail account. Now in here you can enter your date of birth and then your gender as well. So once all this is done, you can just go to next. So on the next page, you can see there are some terms and conditions that we need to agree to. Just agree to it and move on to the next page. So just wait for it. And now this is where we need to start entering the details of our business profile. So you can just type in here my company. So our company is called my company. That we just continue. Now it says choose your business type. So is it an online retail, local store, or services business? So online retail, customers can purchase through your website. That is for a retail business. A local store is where customers can visit your business in person, and then a service business is your business makes visits to the customers. So this is a very critical area that you need to be very mindful of, because whatever you click will affect the options that you have to choose or you have to opt for in the next stage, depending on what you offer or the type of business that you run. You would have to select the type of business over here. So let's just say we are an online retail, so people can buy on our website. Let's click that option and then move on to the next. Now if you have a website, you can enter the website here so that it will also show up in your Google My Business profile, where customers can click and then it will take them to your website. If you don't worry, just have to click on skip. Now your business category, help customers discover your business by industry by adding your business category. So it's a marketing company, a marketing agency. We just need to select that option and then move on to the next. This is where we need to enter our business address. So add a location where your customers can visit your business in person. So our business is in Ghana. Our street address, we need to also enter that in here, the city where we find ourselves. So for street address, let's just say we have to enter a street address in here. Your city is Accra. So once we enter this, we can just move on to the next. Where are you located? This is where you select where you are located. So you can just zoom out, look for your location on Google Maps, and then just pin the red pin or the locator indicator here. Just put it where you are located, and then Google will pick up your location. So once our location is we've done that, you can just select it and then just move on to the next option. Now you can enter your phone number here. This is very, very important. That is the phone number for your business, because this is how customers will get in touch with you. So you need to enter your phone number in here as well. But for now, I'll skip this option. So put your business on the map. It says start connecting with your customers all in one place. So we are almost done with our business profile. So you can just go to continue. So now once we are here, you see, because we did not enter our telephone number, Google is asking us to enter a telephone number. This number won't be visible to customers, it says, but we need to enter your phone number here for people to get in touch. And it's also another way that Google will verify that you indeed are really a business trying to create a new Google My Business profile. So let's click on verify later and see what comes up next. So in here you can add your services. So if you add the custom services, you can just start typing in the type of services that you offer, and then people can see the option of services that you offer, so that they can get in touch with you. So you can enter as many services as possible. Once you are done, you can go on skip or go to next. Next is your business hours. You need to also put that in here, so that Google can tell people when you are open for business and when you are closed. When you are done, you can go to next. But for my option, I'll just go to skip. Add a messaging. So let customers message your business on Google for free. So make sure this option is checked or turned on, so that you can accept messages from your customers. A description about your business. So this is where you put something about your business, what your business does, the services you provide, or the products that you sell. Once you have typed that in here, you can go to next, and then you can start adding pictures of your business. So photos of your business can be added here. Google has, so if you are a retail store, or you are a hairdresser, or a delivery system or delivery company, you can just add pictures about your business in here for people to know more about you. So once you are done in here too, you can go to advertise easily. Now these are sponsored adverts, so you can actually do sponsored adverts on Google as well to reach customers, but these are paid for. But if you are not ready to pay Google to do adverts for you, you can come back later and see how it works. So once you are here, you can just go to skip. Your edits will be visible once you are verified. So Google will need to verify that you are actually a person or a business trying to list yourself on Google. Once Google verifies you, your account will start showing when people search for your product or your business. So as you can see, our business is almost, Google My Business is almost done. The only thing left in here is for us to get verified. So for you to get verified with your Google My Business listing account, there are two options. One is through postcard, where Google will send you a postcard to the address that you provided, which contains a verification code that you would have to enter into your Google My Business listing account. Option 2 would be through your email. So they can also send the same verification code to your email that you would use to get your account verified. So you have it. This is how you easily create your Google My Business listing. But we are not done with this tutorial yet. In the next video, I'll be showing you how you can optimize your page so that people searching for your services or products can easily find your business and hopefully do business with you. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss the new video that I'll be uploading soon. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.